all, it's the Happy Cooker here, and today we're making a bean
soup.
Here's just a little sneak preview for you of what we're going to be making today.
Wow.
I'm going to go ahead and garnish this dish with a little bit of cucumber and some sour cream. I've already got the onions sauteing with a little bit of zucchini and some green peppers.
Uh-huh.
I've got a little bit of beef we're going to use here tonight. Now this is a great way to use up your leftovers when there isn't quite enough for another meal. So we'll just go ahead and put this right in there, and we'll move right on over here. We'll grab this potato water here. We'll use to boil the potatoes in. It works great. Now we're going to use some beef stock. We're going to use Campbell's. I love Campbell's. It's a great product.
Uh-huh.
And we'll just go ahead and pour that all right in there. There we go. Yep. Okay, what do we got next here? Let's see. Oh, we got some tomato sauce. Yes. I love tomato sauce. So let's go ahead and give that a little squirt in there. And next we got some potatoes, pre-boiled. Dump those right in there. Oh, I got it all foggy on there. I don't know if that shows me or the camera. There, I can see clearly now. Oh, we got some beans. We can't forget the beans. Very important, the beans. And the last thing, oh no, not quite the last. Rosemary. I love rosemary. Remember Rosemary's Baby? Remember Rosemary's Baby? And a couple good dashes of oregano there. I like oregano. Good stuff. Yeah, Rosemary's Baby. That was a long time ago. You probably don't remember that. You were still too young for that. And then we'll add a little bit of garlic salt. Yeah, a little bit more.
Guys, if you like what we're doing here, please subscribe.
And last but not least, we cannot forget the Worcestershire sauce. That's right. Put that in there. Yeah. And we're just going to cover that up and leave that to simmer for a little while. And yeah.
Wow.
Homemade beef, bean, and potato
Soup.
So there you have it. It's quick, easy, great meal the whole family can love. So next time you got a little bit of leftover meat, you don't quite know what to do with it. Now you do. And quite honestly, I don't know anybody that doesn't love
Soup.
So enjoy your soup. See you again soon. Thanks for watching.
Soup. Have some. Soup. Have some.